Hey. Talk. Hey, guys, cross finger for us because look where we are coming from.
Family, this is Choma Waterfalls located in the mountains of Morogoro here in Morogoro. It wasn't easy for us coming all the way from the town to here. So in this video I will show you how we struggled going down from this waterfalls which is located on the top of this mountain. So go with us as we go back to the town of Morogoro.
Yes, so guys, we are going back home. Yeah.
Oh guys, I'm even wearing a sweater.
15 seconds. Oh, they are over. Oh. Guys, can you imagine? Oh, these border borders are bloat people. Those you saw them at the waterfall down there. So, yes, guys, as you can see, all these border borders here, they bloat people here. You can imagine. Oh, for us right now, we are going back. Yeah, watch this video until the end. Let's go. Yes, so now guys, we are going down. We are going down slowly, slowly. Muda wa kuchoma mafuta ni wa kupanda. Tunatumia nguvu. Wewe. Toka. That boy was running to us. Okay. Guys, look where we passed coming up. What happened? Eh?
Haya atakiwa msogelee vile vile dereva ndio angeondoka vizuri.
Tunaenda aje?
Niko mbali.
Tunakaa.
So guys, we are going down. And that is the style of going down. Hi. Okay. Okay. So they are alerting the person coming up. Hey, careful. Hey.
This is
not Naya. Hi. Okay. This is the style of going down. Yeah. Let's go. Ukiwewe mdada unashuka. Haya, njooni sasa. Haya, njooni. Show me vlog EG. Can I help you? On my back.
On your back?
Yeah. Eh? You think it is possible? Eh?
Even the judge has told me.
Who?
The judge.
The judge.
This is your life, Joe.
Hey.
Go para, we go eat rice.
Hey. For 3 days.
But guys, check on that beautiful pig. I say that
Yani.
pig. That one has eyes, you see? The other small one, that pig has eyes.
Ah, that small one.
Yeah, even the other one. What's the name of this?
This is Morogoro mountain.
The Morogoro mountain. It has a lot of ranges, guys.
Morogoro mountain.
Oh.
And guys, look at that view.
Oh my God. Actually, it's not
We are talking about that one right there. Yeah. And there are people living here, guys. They have houses with solar panels. Wow. Okay. Now. Angalia stand. Barabara inachimbwa.
Unaona barabara hiyo wanaichimba, kuna jiwe wameliona lina madini lipo kubwa kule. Kwa hiyo China wakiza mradi wao wanalichimba. Wanachimba barabara, kuna jiwe kubwa. Yaani kwa moja la hela. Sababu kila mtu anayepita eneo lile imepita kwenye shamba lake analipwa hela nyingi. Ila jiwe lipo kati hapo.
Yes. Someone was coming up, guys.
Mpira huo.
Hey, I'm recording. Look where we are going. You know, Chami, your voice is on camera.
Let me first settle.
Okay, eti anasema subiri kidogo akae vizuri. Nah. Guys, I'm not sure if the camera is doing the justice, but where we are coming from, there on that side, someone dropped something there. Shook, eh?
Yeah. Yule kaangusha kiroba sijui hajajua mwanangu. Kaangusha mzigo na hisi hajajua.
Anajua. Huwezi kushusha mzigo mkubwa huo wote. Wow. Tina. Tina.
I can't risk my life. I haven't given back.
Look the way she's holding. That you hold like that.
That's why I was holding him. You didn't see. He told me I should use my both hands.
I didn't see.
And that's why I held him. Tina!
Wow, wow, wow.
Tina is a village girl.
Kwa hapa tupande? Eh?
But the problem is the hands.
You can't even feel.
Tell me my hands are
Oh,
already
sikia
paining
sasa.
me.
Eti anasema vidole vinamuuma.
Wasingeondoka moja kwa moja. Huo mzigo alivyouacha, wasingeuacha. Yaani yule hajajua mpira umekatishwa hiyo.
Ah. Guys, someone dropped that sack there.
Ila akashindwa kusimama tu. Kweli.
Hey, guys, cross finger for us because look where we are coming from. Guys, look at this. Look at that. Wow. Can you see that? Someone, if you put something there, maybe it stays there. Maybe someone comes there still. But look at that, guys. Okay, let's go back. Guys, this is a stubborn area, so I have just to walk a bit to pass. Njoo. Oh, there is like a small. Hey, you see that? Wow. Yeah, guys, you can't see very well, but the water here down below, all the way to that side.
Opa yacheza na Sterling. Inaweza ikaenda bodi lakini Sterling kaingangania. Labda
Maana acha
kuna kambi ya scout.
Scout. Oh, so those scout students, they always come here. They camp on those areas. Yeah, that is good.
Wow, family, this place is so beautiful, as you can see. And as we are going down, the area is so green, the sounds of birds and the water flowing in those forests. It is so therapeutic, guys. If you want to connect with nature, Morogoro, it's a beautiful place to be here in Tanzania. It is one of the best places to be. Okay, we have different places like Arusha, Kagera, Morogoro. Okay, you can just visit, but Tanzania is the best. It's the best place to be. So look at this area. It is so green. It is so green, and wow. This area is so beautiful. It's 10 out of 10, man. There's nothing. Let's keep going down. We are going down to the city, the town of Morogoro. So let's go down and we'll give you a tour of Morogoro town. So let's go watch this video until the end.
This is a baobab tree. No. This is the wood. This is a baobab tree. So it's a baobab. Back in town. Keep watching this video to the end. Look at that nice view. Wow.
On my left hand side, guys, there is a golf pitch, but you can't see it clearly. I don't know, it's a golf pitch, a golf ground, a golf playground, yeah, whatever. So on our left side there is a big or huge golf playground. So for those who live here in Morogoro, or when you visit Morogoro and you want to play golf, visit this area, just ask, there is a place where you can play golf. So let's go back.
Naweza kalichukua bango lake. Hapa uwanja wa Jamhuri Morogoro uko hapo. Golf kwa mbele. Mjomba. Chuo cha VETA. Driver, makenga, Morogoro sekondari. Hii hapa emergency, na maana mtu kama kapata ajali ile, yani haraka haraka, sio mpaka
Family, welcome back to the town of Morogoro. Morogoro is known for its natural beauty. There is a lot to see in Morogoro. There is a lot to explore in Morogoro for those who love hiking and wildlife. There is Tarangire National Park, which is here in Morogoro. Also, there is Mikumi National Park, which is very close to Morogoro. So if you want to visit Morogoro, Morogoro is the place to be. Hiking, you want to do safari, this is the place to be. Welcome to Morogoro. There is a lot. If you want to visit the villages and experience the culture of Morogoro, and this Morogoro is 10 out of 10 minutes, nothing. There is a lot, and there is a video coming which will be showcasing this town of Morogoro. So thank you for watching this video to the end. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to Shami Vlog UG and Miss Tina's World. We are here in Morogoro, and there is a lot more is coming here in Morogoro. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you on another video. Bye bye.